I got a quick question for you. Are you using AI yet? I recently did a therapy session with AI. I actually did a drawing, I uploaded the drawing, and the AI was able to analyze the drawing. I have a friend who's an actual psychologist, and I went and showed them this analysis. I had it done in ChatGPT. She said it was pretty accurate. You know, the drawing could be up for interpretation. It just made me wonder if anybody else is starting to use this. I'm a Gen X person, so this is kind of trippy for me. I mean, I grew up in, you know, the days of the Oregon Trail and green and black screens and, you know, 8-bit video game systems. Now I'm getting a therapy session from artificial intelligence, so this stuff is pretty crazy. But let me know in the comments below if you've tried it out at all. And if you're looking for more content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a like for the video. I'll see you on the next video.